Welcome to our weekly market outlook and recaps. This is how we look at the DXY, EURUSD, Pounds USD, Nasdaq, S&P 500, US30, last but not the least, gold. This is going to be the last market outlook for the year. Thanks for those who have followed this channel. Thank you for the subscribing. Thank you. Thank you once again. This will be the last analysis outlook for the year, and we will be looking at first off DXY. That is the first where we'll be looking. Okay, we are on a DXY chart. Initially, from the beginning of December, we all knew that we want price to go lower after the week. If you go for the beginning of this month, the first week of this month analysis, so we anticipated this bearish candle, so we still be looking forward to downside of markets. Like as we have now, we still be looking downside. We are for the longer term, we will be expecting 88.25. The longer term, we expect 88.25. And this week, as of today, we are making this video, so we still have 4 days to end up this year. And this is the weekly shelves. Generally, I need expect. To me, would have loved to take out a 96.21, but don't think that will happen in the next 4 days. But in any case, we still expecting lower prices. So, but this week will be tricky because we will having just few days to trade. The rest will be public holiday thereafter. So now we head to our normal weekly charts. This is our weekly charts. This is the weekly candle. Market open. Initially on, let me go to daily time frame so you can see my expectation or what I was expecting from price. Initially, I had this expectation that price at least to come to this other block here, but the bearishness of DXY is very strong. That if you watch the opening price on this week, because it's Monday, so price close open below the closing price. So price goes below the opening price using this fair value gap here. You remember this daily fair value gap. So price goes below the lower quadrant 0.775. So price use that in order to push this down. So, and as you can see this place now, what we have here now is this. We're expecting price to keep going down. To me, I expect price to keep pushing down on a daily time frame. On this, definitely aligned with our monthly price expectation. Then see this other block. See this other block from the opening price to this close price, from this open to close. So we put our filament sheet to look there. So all the rules price to close above 0.5. So whatever that happens here, so from here, and are we like not expecting to keep there going down? Okay. The immediate targets we have here will be this. This is one. The second one will be this. Let me put the second, the first one. And its best price. This give us acceleration, this level. There, that collapse. Okay, so from here, from this level gaps to here, from here to here. But maybe probably some time coming, we give some little knowledge about this, what we call candle blending. See, this is big. Candle blending. So this candle blending, we can blend the candle into a higher time frame candle. So this candle blended. This we are seeing here. So in only all, I'm still expecting lower prices from the DXY. Okay, still expecting lower prices. Then we head to pounds USD. We head to EURUSD, so to say. Yeah. Onto the time frame, so still expecting higher prices. These are our buy size here. This is our buy size level here. This buy side expect us to be taken into. But we'll see what will happen in this remaining 4 days of the month. So we're still expecting what will happen. We have to be very, very careful dealing with this. See, we see how price try to go up, but yes, does. Yeah. So what do we have here now? Okay, look at what we have here. Yeah, that was what we have there. Then going into this week, what do we have? See, this guy failed to take out here. Why? DXY took on the B-shake this DXY. Okay, so DXY made the take out this anyway. Took out this low. And let me get to go back again. So my expectation will be you see, we have a very tiny fair value gap here. Very, very tiny. How this very little tiny. All right. So on a daily time frame, on EURUSD. So we have tapped into this level. We tap into this fair value gap here. We are tapping into this fair value gap, and we close above this little fair value gap here. So these are the signature of bullish price. So I would love to go to 1.2. I would love to go to 1.2, take out this old low. So these are expectation going forward. Then we head to pounds USD. Pounds USD. Yeah, this month we had this expectation we are going up. Yeah, very obvious. We heard that it's going up, and that's still going up. At least we try as much as possible to get to this monthly candle rejection. Then we head to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. So this week candle. This is this week candle from this low to high. I put a Fibonacci 2 here. So as I am bullish, I wouldn't want price to close below 50% of this. So it can take 0.75 to keep on moving higher. Then we head to daily time frame. Okay. We have this nice fair value gap here. I think we have some little gap here. So take it on that. Yeah, this is daily fair value gap I'm looking at. So from here, price should generally keep on pushing higher. We'll take out all of this buy side liquidity. That will be that for me. That will be my expectation once price to from here pushing high. Take out all of this. So that will be my expectation. Go to NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Finally, we have tapped into this. Okay, let me go to monthly time frame. Okay, monthly time frame will end in the next 4 days. So see where we are coming from monthly. We tap into this fair value gap, and then we are keeping the bullishness higher more. So we go to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, initially I thought by now we should have taken out this recent high. So you see, price have different action, different high. So price has if you check DS has already made the all-time high. So yeah, that's in mind. Why this? I don't know what is keeping him from making his own all-time high. But ES has done has. So I don't know why. Then we go to daily time frame. The daily time frame, I think that was 30 days. Okay, daily time frame now. This is the structure. I hope you get that. This is structure. We come here, come back here, come back here. So maybe we'll have a retest here before we keep up. Shit. I don't know what we do there. But on monthly time frame, we are bullish. On monthly time frame, we are bullish, and weekly, well, we are supposed to make a all-time high, and daily, we are kind of bullish, but I don't know. We'll see what will happen. This sheet is, I don't have any price level on Nasdaq. I don't know where he wants to go now. Let's see what's happening. Maybe if he has some exhaustion, come over here. Use this other block to push high. Maybe that is what they like to do. Take out this internal liquidity here. Then we use this other block to push higher. But we will see what will happen. Then we head to ES. But like I told you that ES has made the all-time high. If you look at the monthly time frame, it was very, very more or less if you look at ES, it's more or less good. Very true. That's that in terms of price action. Just look at this. Okay, we'll go to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we made the all-time high. Now what do we see here? I think the best 60, we're expecting higher prices on daily time frame. And I think that we'll be expecting some little bit retracements on this fair value gap here. We have this fair value gap. Fair value gap here. And we have also volume imbalance here, and that needed to be filled. So price is likely going to trace on any of these two levels before it keep going higher. But this coming 2 days, this coming 3 days, we really play a very significant role going forward to see what is going to happen. Then we try to YM. On YM, monthly, see, very bullish. 3 months, weekly, bullish. Because we closed above this, so bullish. Then daily, I think it's bullish. We are bullish here. Yeah? Bullish daily. Okay. Volume daily. If you want to have a retracement, should not close below this at 0.75 before we keep on moving higher. Okay. The gold. Gold is pumping. It's pumping. These are our three. This is our weekly cycle has finally completed. You see, we have finally completed this cycle, this 3 weekly cycle. Then we head to daily time frame. They look seriously, this gold is not even giving any room for anyone trying to enter in that room as per daily entry, so to say. So I think gold will continue to be bullish anyway. We continue to be bullish. That's what I said. as far as I'm concerned, continue to be bullish. Guys, that will be all. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. All right. Thank you for watching.